Welcome to my mini YouTube project for Python 2. So about this project, it's a project that focuses on creating a platform for videos which individuals could watch. It includes the ability to like videos as well as to view their description. And each time you like a video, it adds to the amount of likes as well as to the views each time a video is viewed. What did I learn and use for my project? I learned a bunch of things. Firstly, I used dictionaries, strings, CRUD operations, which are create, remove, update, and delete, as well as functions and loops. I learned how to differentiate variable types from one another and also reviewed all the concepts above and have a much firmer grasp on them. On to code examples then. So in this code on the left of this presentation then, I used if-else statements as well as strings to display a certain text that I want the users to see. In the first function, whenever a video is played, it adds 1 to the view count. In the second function, every single time a user chooses to like a video, it adds 1 to the likes count. And for both functions, when the user's input is unrelated to the subject or is not included in the options I gave them, it will print error on the screen. On to my favorite part of my project, which is the loops and the home page. My favorite part was creating the loops as well as adding to the home page. And in this code on the right, I used the loop to print a list of commands that the user could use to view different videos as well as like them. And I also use elif statements to provide actions that the user could make when they're watching videos on my platform. So how should I improve my project in the future? I can improve my project in a few ways. Firstly, I could add more videos to my homepage and platform so that there's more variety for my users to view. Secondly, I could add a bunch more functions for the user, including sharing to their friends, reposting, commenting to connect with each other, and etc. Thirdly, I could create an account system where I would allow users to create their own accounts and save their history as well as videos that they like to watch and personalize their For You page in that way. And fourthly, then I can use classes to separate the functions out so that my code gets better. And over on this right side, this is a summary of the different Python classes. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.